the subject test in math. I will demystify it. I'm Mark Greenstein of Ivy Bound, and people look at this and say, well, level 1, level 2, what's for me? I generally think both. For any student who has grappled with trigonometry, high-level functions, that's the level 2. Level 1 has very little of that, but a lot of algebra, a decent amount of arithmetic, some geometry. Not hard stuff on either if you've studied for it. So the difference between 1 and 2, 2 is higher level. It's not necessarily harder. Analogy, 8th grade math was higher level than 7th grade, but it wasn't necessarily harder. So a student who has gotten to the topics for level 2 probably is likely to succeed just as well as on level 1. And in some ways, there's even a better likelihood of success. That's because the level 2 has a more forgiving scale. On the level 1, if you get, and I'm looking at a table here that accompanies the College Board's layout. On the level 1, if you get even 1 wrong, you're not going to get an 800. You'll get, if you get 5 wrong, you're going to get a 740. Level 2, 5 wrong still gets you an 800. So there is more room for error on the 2. And on the 1, you better know your stuff and really be careful. Now, why do both? Because colleges are happy to see excellence in any one of them. Unless you're going for a high-level math program in college, then they're not going to respect the level 1. They want to see the level 2. Any liberal arts college, though, is going to say fine wherever that high score comes from. That could be the 1 or the 2. We encourage both, and for most kids, I encourage both on the same day. Your study will coincide. You will take one 10 minutes after finishing the other. You'll be amped. One of those, maybe both, ought to come up good. I hope this has been helpful. I'm Mark Greenstein.